Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and if you're new to my channel, so happy that you decide to stop by. I hope you like it here and decide to stick around. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review, and I have my hair like this because I just washed it and I want it to stay nice and straight for upcoming styles without me blowing it out. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today came in this box that doesn't have the name on it. The name of the company is Sunber, which is on this silk bag that I got with the hair to store it in. With the wig, I got these beautiful lashes. I also got these clips with it, which definitely comes in handy if I'm going to do some pin curls or so on. And I got these stocking cap. I know I definitely need these because I use them all the time. And lastly, I got this bandana. Sway! This is the unit that I'm going to be reviewing. It is a clip-in unit. Of course, it comes with 4 clips in the top of it. It is a 24 inches V-part body wave and it is in natural color. I'm going to go ahead and install it, but before I do that, I'm going to open the clips, and to do that, I simply push on the back of it and that will pop them right open. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and before I start to clip them in, I usually clip the ones in the front first and then the one in the back, and this will give me a better gauge of where I want it, just so I don't have too much hangover on my forehead or have it too far in on my hair. So yeah, I usually go ahead and secure the ones in the front first, and that works so much better for me. After I secure the front, I then go ahead and secure the back, and that's all I have to do to put this wig on. I know the hair has curl in it, I know it has waves in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and curl it how I want it. I usually use my flat irons to make my curls, but today I decide to use my curling iron, which I just bought. So don't say nothing, but I really look crazy using this curling iron, like I don't even know what I'm doing. But that's how long since I've used curling iron in my hair. So please don't even laugh. Let me alone laugh about this one. I like this curling iron, but I also don't like it because it has this little bump on the top of it that prevents the hair from easily slide off, so it just makes the work so much harder. But it really is a nice curling iron. It does the job very well, except for that one little detail. After I curl the hair, I pin it to hold the curl in place until the hair is cool, or until I was done curling all of it and I did my makeup. I didn't pin curl the back of it, but I did with the front because I want the front to fall a certain way, so that's the reason why I did go ahead and curl it how I wanted it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. This is it, y'all. I must say, as beautiful as it looks, I am not a fan of the V-part straight wig or wavy wig. I think I really rather it curly. When I say curly, I'm talking about jerry curls or some kind of tight curl, but I still think it looks good. It's just not really my kind of thing. I think I rather it curly than straight or wavy. I feel like those look so much better when it comes to V-part wig. It is nice and full, very bouncy, no shredding, and I haven't been experiencing any tangling with it either, so it's definitely a good buy. I will link all the hair information down below, so definitely check that out. They also have this thing where you could pay for your hair in 4 different installments. I'm not sure how that works, but check them out to see for yourself. I'll leave all the information in the description box. If you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!